Vision for your life can be defined as a clear picture of what you want your life to look like in the future. It's what you aspire to achieve or become in the long term. Think of your vision as a guiding light that shapes your decisions, actions, and goals. Your vision gives your life purpose and direction. Here are some questions to ask yourself to help you create a vision for your life. Purpose. What impact do you want to make on the world? Career. What do you want to achieve in your professional life? Financial. How much money do you want to make per day, per month, or per year? What kind of house do you want to live in? Or what type of car do you want to drive? Values and passions. What activities bring you joy and fulfillment? Lifestyle. What places do you want to visit or experiences you want to have in your life? Relationships. What kind of relationships do you want to have? Health. How do you want to feel physically, mentally, and emotionally? Personal growth. What skills or knowledge do you want to acquire? Your vision is not fixed. It must evolve and grow as you learn more about yourself and the world. The key is to have a clear direction of where you want to be. This will guide your choices, provide you with motivation, and gives meaning to your journey. If this video helped you, please share, like, and subscribe to the channel. This will help the channel to reach more people. And don't forget to leave a comment. This is Kenny signing off. Thank you for watching. And remember, there's greatness in you. Until next time, stay blessed, my friends.